Revive others, equipo 6. Now William. Pass number 18. Mendoza closer. Rebound by Mendoza. Shot again is good. A rebound and 2 points for Rogelio Mendoza. Now to Angoria. Jumper no good. Rebound by Domingo. Now to the sharp shooting Big Hernandez. Setting up the play, passing the play for the city for 3, offline, rebound by Bobby Brand. So Mendoza. Easy pass to Venezuela, rebound by Domingo. So Arcine, Coach Izan, inside pass to number 16, rebound by Bobby Brand. Oh yeah! And the force everywhere. Now it's you. The boy number 9, Aruga. Setting up the play, looking for Mendoza. Pass to number 8, okay, now to our left. Pass to number 18, and place for Whistle. Foul number 26. Marvin Wilson with his first personal foul, first team foul. Bonus middle for number 18. First guy is Rick Stafford. Shot out by Goodman. Second try is good. 2 out of 2. For Mendoza. Now, Francis, after passing on player, William, disconnection pass. Official score, fortunately, in favor of Equipo 6. Now, Alumnia. Boris Stevens, pass to Domingo. Now to Orsine. Hesitation will go to pass. They go back in but there's a foul. Foul number 17. Mendoza commits his first personal foul. Second team foul. Now Rogelio Mendoza. Pull a jumper, but there's a whistle. Foul on Gatsby Angoria, number 15. First personal foul, third team foul. Now first try for Mendoza. Still, perfect off the line. 3 out of 3. Second try for Mendoza. Now 6 points. Now Mendoza. Stolen by Domingo. Number 16 shot. Rebound by Francis Mendoza. Out of pass to Gabi. The first foul from number 8. Coach Izzo, who makes his first personal foul, first team foul. Now 2 free throws for Gabi Brian Domingo. First try. Fresh from the championship, Coach Gabi. Second try is good. Split tennis. Now to number 9, Roy. Free throw line down by Logo. Rebound by Mendoza. With 19, now Mendoza again, 2 points for Francis Mendoza. First 2 points of the game for the onside MVP. Down to number 9, Aluga. Pass to number 8. Little pass to Domingo. Inside pass is stolen by actually. Now to Gatsby. On the pass Mendoza, 6-4 pass to Mendoza, by number 9. Mendoza is good. Back-to-back hits for 17. Now, look at looking for the series, pass to Domingo. Now, once in for 3, rebound, top to number 28. Out of pass to Leroy, still at by number 9. Now to Mendoza. Number 18. Shot, no good, but there's no result. Now to number 17. Out of pass to Leroy. Shot, no good, rebound. Ada pesawat. Ingat. Nah, sudah ya. Hasil tes. Dokter rebound by Mendoza. Drop by number 17. Stolen by number 29. Now to Mendoza. Box pass on to Lera. First person of our second team foul. Bonus Vico for number 15 of the Villa. Now, change favor of Villa who missed the 3-point play. Now, Domingo pass to Andres. Now to number 8, back to number 16, Spinwood. Back to number 3, rebound by Mendoza. Follow up is good. The score is now tied at 8 early. Turn over. Next fight. Naghanda na kayo. Now to Andres. Looking for the TV. Pass number 9. Out of bounds. Drop ball. 5 minutes. Teach 5. Now witnessing the entrance of number 11. El Problemático. And number 8. Mr. Hookies. Now to number 11, back to Lonceras. Tyson for top in. Late violation. Ortiz for top in. Now to number 8. To Mr. Recovered by number 15. Rebound. Symbol. Mr. Pure Energy in the house. Now the pass to number 17. Jumper. Rebound. Oh yeah. The rap ball. Now to Lonceras. Pass to number 11. Okay, rebound by Dorival. There's a foul. Foul, Mr. Pure Energy. First personal foul. 13 foul. 2 free throws for number 89. First try for Navarro is no good. Sunshine by Joe. Rebound by the Twin. Now the Twin. Pass to Gambino. The rebound by Burgess. Foul. Foul number 89. Joey Navarro. First personal foul. 14 foul. Now looking for Stevens. Jumper, pass to Tyson. Burgess, first 2 points for Tyson. Burgess, assist by the win. Now a 2-point lead equipo 6. Now, was going to jump rebound by the blue. Blocked by number 23, but there's a foul. Foul number 23, don't say us. Penalty. First try, going back to me. Second try, boy, you're doing this good. 2 out of 2. Now the ball. Pass to Chris. Stolen by coaches. Now 2 coaches. Inside pass to Mr. Kennedy. Recovered by the lead. Inside pass to number 17. Mr. Kennedy. Another assist by the lead. Now once again, see the closer. Rebound by Morales. Now 2 coaches. Now the lead, looking for his teammates. Shot clock is 40 seconds now. That is out of the road. The basketball back. Now turns it out. Bounce pass to the ball. Yeah, that's good. First 2 points for Enfield Problematico. Number 11. Now for the lead against number 11. The lead, that's good. First 2 points for Raymond. 16-10 is the official score. Very fast the first shot. Rebound by the Morales. Now it's over the lead. Hockey World Series. Shot by the lead. Rebound by Cruz. Now to number 11. Back-to-back 2 points for number 11, Navarro. Now the lead. Pass number 17. Side step move. Recovered by number 12. Shot by number lead. Recovered by number 1. Number 1 stolen by Belisario. Pass to Vegas. For jumper number. Rebound by Cruz. Now to Navarro again. Using his feet there, but there's a reset. Foul number 22, Morales. Routine foul by 2 of Wayne Rose. For number 11, Navarro. First strike for Navarro is good. Second try for number 11. 2 out of 2, now 6 points. Now Morales, pass number 12. Hesitation move, now for Belisario, back to number 17. Babalini. Yeah. Now, only traveling down. Now, let's go. Pass to Belisario. Oh, rebound. Control by Morales. And there's no whistle. Black ball. Now the goal is stolen by Tyson. Pass to the lead. Shot number 3 by Gustavo. Number 2. Shot by number 23, but there's a foul. Foul on number 8, Del Rosario, against seconds, his first personal foul penalty. Both teams, penalty, first try by Lonceras. It's good. Second try for Lonceras. 2-2. 4 seconds, shot clock, Nicolai Shaw, game clock. Now 17, ooh, what a good one. Recovered by number 23. Now the ball. There, rebound by Morris. 12 seconds remaining. Now the ball. Pass to number 15. The clearance is good. 3 seconds. Now we have a rebound by first two players for number 15, Anguilla. For this, score is now tied at 18, and let's go free offline. Long pag-isang tumal. Now Mendoza. Nasa Anguilla, top for now to Andres. Pass to Mendoza. Now Mendoza, for 3. Miguel Mendoza for 3. Now 3-20, with the keeper says. Now we have Yanka answers the 3-point shot by Mendoza. Now down to 1 point lead. Now Andres. Pass to number 7, Lamparo, jumper level. Rebound by Camilo. Pass to number 7, Inoy. Now to Mendoza, easy pass. Now walang connection. Now Mendoza. No pass on this. Ooh, inside pass. Same ball. Shot clock is 9 seconds. Official score 21-20 in favor of Equipo 6. Now number 31, shot double. Now to Nazo Inoy. Audits direction. Now Andres. Pass number 18 on the lone Portugal. Mendoza, Portugal. Shut down, low. Good. Warning, we're doing the game for number 17. Rebound by Lamparo. Pass to Yabuga. Loto, that gives the foul. Foul on number 26. Second personal foul on Toniso. First team foul. First try for James Yabuga is good. Second try for Yabuga. Rebound by Beluso. Now it is a stronger control by this. Now it's a Mendoza. David pass number 4. 4 is stolen. Recover by number 8. Recover by number 6. Now a 3-point lead. Now Mendoza pass to Ambuya. Shot is good. But there's a foul, number 29, Iloia. Now it's one foul. Rebound coming out. Now to Mendoza, out the pass. Good. Now, Andres. Right-handed there is good. Out of pass to Ino. Now Ino. Pass to number 26. Jumper is good. There is 2 points for Marvin Beluso. Now this will be the good result. Secure by Mendoza, out the pass is stolen. Now 3-20. Now Latuba against Beluso. Now Amparo. Last two. Now Mendoza is in 2 points. Now apply to lead. Now this. There is this way. Feels like over. You can have it. Change straight up. Now Mendoza. That's it. This way. Change back. 56, 36, 31. This is good.
Nilalaroan ko eh. Tinatali-tali ko sa kamay ko eh.
Now it's all sitting. Pass to the green. Number 3. Back to Rosine. 13, rebound, secure. Nadal. Working boys teams. Pass to Gonzalez. Bounce pass to foul. But there's a foul. Foul number 16, Domingo. First person foul. First is that. Got 2 bonus widows for good J. Cruz. First try is good. The second try, Cruz. Rebound by number 9. Now to the bonus. Against Mercedes. Recover, it's stolen by number 9. Rebound by Orsini. And there is a foul. Foul number 1. First personal foul. Now, Silas, pass the ball. All poetry. Navarro, poetry. Zigzagging his way. Passing away Orsini. Bounce pass to Domingo. Jumper rescue. Domingo to go. 30-33. Dallas. Zigzagging his way. Domingo. And one boy Mr. Navarro. El problemático. Calculation. Bruce Riddle, the number leader, el problemático. Bruce Riddle, converted by Now we go jumpers. Now series number. Pass to the lead. Now for Domingo. Now 8 points for Porto Finido. Now to number 2, pass over, now to the last middle, now to number 9, Alunio. Pass to Osine. Good pass to the west. Shot is good. Down to 9.2. 3 seconds shot clock, game clock differential. Down to the ball, back to Gonzalez. Halloween, down to the west. Shot clock is off. Rebound secured. By number 12. Shot by Alice is good. 4 seconds.
Malinaw rin ba yung kanina? Malinaw din.
Now to the song. Audrey. Yes. Next game, equipo 3 versus equipo 5.
Prep.
Orange ball. Tight game. Pass to inside pass to Mendoza, outlet pass number 15. 53-46. Now, Level Shadow, pass to India. And top level, rebound by Luzon. Burgess. First base of first team foul. Now, Mendoza, little pass, Mendoza, back. Mendoza, back pass. Good connection. Wow, to Mr. Now Mendoza. Bounce pass to Vendias. Now Vendias, down there. Second place in the foul. 17 foul. Two double speed throws. Mendoza. First try is good. Second try for Mendoza. By Robert Mendoza. 3 balls already for Robert Mendoza. Number 8, out pass one Korea is good. Now 8 victory for the equipo. one. Bagus nih para equipo atas. Stroy dalam liga, now to number 17. Ball number 8. Rosario, third personal foul. Third team foul.
Ang init ng court, walang hangin.
First try is good. Two out of two for Mendoza. Now Mendoza against Mendoza. 8 seconds violation. Ball number 29, Inoy. First foul for Inoy. First foul for Rubel Mendoza. Now 18 points, matching his jersey number. Mendoza. To Mia, Foul number 15. Second personal foul, Warren Crawford. First try for Mendoza is good. Two out of two for Mendoza. Victor Mendes. Rebound by Mendes. Only 3 rebounds. 9 rebounds. Now Inoy shot is good. Solid by Ramiro. Now to the whistle. That's already started by Mendoza. Now Mendoza. Jenny is good. Down 12 for the Warning on number 4 and West. Next fight, number 9. Now, Rocky Bryant all along. Rebound by Peter Ryan. John Lewis. That's all. Last Second personal foul, 20 foul, 9 minutes. Now to the win. 4-3. Rodrigo Marcos. Now to the Rodrigo. The winning score for Equipo Dos. Now, pass to Custodio. Now to the Seras. Look to the champion Rodrigo Marcos. Para Marcos. Now is the post to block. Second personal foul, 14 foul. Okay? Ito bigaw dito. Oh. Ayaw. Oh. Ayaw. Pass to win, next and final game on tonight, Equipo Tres versus Equipo Cito. Team Memphis versus Team Biz Nancy. Rebound by Apple. Shot clock is 7 seconds. That way pass to Ramuga. Hesitation to
Rep.
First guy, it's no good. Now to the ball, pass to Castillo. Good pass to El Montemático. No good, rebound. Control by Castillo. Now to the ball, it's good. That's why Castillo. Now to the recover by Nakara. Let's see there, it's good. 9 remaining is 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Still 13-point lead for Equipo Dos. Seconds. Pass to Tavares. Official score 69-57. Penalty. Joey Navarro. Second personal foul. Penalty. 2 free throws for Paraguay. First try is good. Second try. Boy, entering too soon. For number 18. Alas by Tavares. Alas to Cruz. Now to Bilbao. Seras. Looking for the receiver. Shot down is Benjamin. Both six. Warning for number 12, the win. Warning for Sectio. First ball for Celeste is good. Next game, final game. Equipo 3 versus Equipo 5 versus Equipo 3. Rebound by Matthew. Now to Ramirez. Rebound by Alvaro. Using his muscle. Rebound! Back to Cruz. Pass to Navarro. Back to Navarro. Oh, that's now to the rebound by Cruz. The Cruz are down. Foul on number 22, Tavares. Second personal foul penalty. First try for J. Cruz is good. Second try for the captain. 2 out of 2 for the captain Cruz. Save ball. Tavares passing the way. Hesitation to move back. Number 17, Labuga. Shot number. Rebound by Tavares. Traveling. Now to Navarro. Pass to Rosaras. Back to Navarro. Now to Studio. Number rebound by Cruz. Shot is good. Now 14-14 for Equipo 2. Now the rebound by Rosaras. What a pass, number 1. One connection. On for 1 minute. There you go. Safe. Shot down. 21. Now Tavares. Last minute. All for 3. bagus saja. Pas nomor 11. The leading scorer for the equipo dos. Forces his way, shot. But there's a foul. Penalty. Apa-apa interview. First try for the three is second try for the three is good. Speed tennis for 3 on the three. Now it's the pass to them from Granatico. Shot clock 16 seconds. Oscar pass, Estudiola, Gonzalez. 18 seconds ka. Shot clock is off. Apollo Walker is good. Down to 15.8 with 9 seconds. Walker by Apollo, rebound by Mendoza, pass to Mendoza. Triple shot, double rebound by Mr. Energy. One play. Foul number 89. Navarro, third personal foul, first team foul. One bonus free throw for Mr. Pure Energy. Shot by Mendoza. Pass by Navarro. Now to number 9. Still. Shot by Mendoza. The over by him. Mendoza for 3. Rebound is the Pure Energy. Rebound by him. But there's a whistle. Foul number 89. 8-14. Now Mendoza. Pass number 9. Rebound ball and there's a pass out of pass number 33. Still ball 9. To Mr. Pure Energy. Foul to number 4. Foul to Mendoza. Pass number 17. Stolen by Mendoza. And the pass to the Ramos, Gonzalez School. Slowly by Alexis. Nice move, shot is good. Number 12. There's his move. But there's a foul. Foul on number 1. First personal foul, 14 foul, 2 bonus Smithers. 4 foul of Davis. First try for the win is good. Second try for the win is good. Substitution. First foul. Yabi. There's the foul. Foul on numbers 12. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Still the third point. Wow, that's a pass to Belches. Foul number 29, Inoy. Third personal foul, penalty. Bonus free for Roberto Mendoza, the leading scorer for the equipo Center, Aiko Pusayas. Bonus free for Ivan Solas. He's a nice one. It's good. Mendoza losing his muscle. Rebound by Morales. 8 rebounds for Morales. Now Mendoza already rebound by Oliver. 10 rebounds for Gabby Brad. Now Mendoza pull up the player is good. Pass, another player. Gabby Brad, and the pass number 4. He's good by Mendoza. Mendoza. Pass number 11. For Eric Problematico. Foul number 15 for House. 13 foul. Now 20 points for El Problematico. Still a very sweeter. Penalty. On the number 26. Alvin Dulce. 10 personal foul. Penalty. Buksis, matapin ko ng Santo. Daiso, pakitapin. First time for Rodeo Goes High School. Second try for Mendoza. 2-2. Still 12-14 with 4 minutes remaining. Now to Mendoza. Stickle against the lead. Shot number 3 down. Control by the lead. Pass to Domingo. And there's a foul. Number 17, Francis Mendoza. Third personal foul penalty. 2 meters for Mr. Racers. First down for Gatwin is good. Second try for Gatwin. 2-2. Now, Mendoza. Dictating the tempo. Looking 4 seconds. Shot clock 14 seconds. Now, Mendoza. Presentation move. Safe move. Hindi pwede yan. Pang-morning move lang daw yun. Looking for his teammates. That's Mendoza against the ball. Substitution, both teams. Still a 10-point lead with 3 minutes and 6 seconds. Suwang William. Bounce pass and goes over 3 down the balance. 9 rebounds for Rodeo Lavares. Other pass to the people. Shot by Domingo is good. Down to a single digit. Mendoza, losing his muzzle. Shot, yes. There's a foul. Foul number 2 out. The lead makes his 4th personal foul. 14 foul, but 2 free throws. For the halftime MVP, Mr. Francis Mendoza. First try is good. Second try for Mendoza is good. Back to 10-point lead with 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 2. Long rebound, Cruz. 11 rebounds. Already around the ball for 2 kills. Now Mendoza, by Mendoza. Orange ball. It's hard and so. But there is a foul. Second personal foul on Amaria. Penalty. Next, and final game for tonight. Equipo 3 versus Equipo 5. First down, that's Ambara School. Second try for Ambara. No, rebound by Mendoza. Rebound. By Ambara. Now to the Free throw line, that man will hit up like this. And there's a foul. Penalty. Substitution. Foul number 31, Amber. This was a long penalty. Home teams penalty. Din ito. Lane ang official doon. Ito. Di meron doon eh. Zero free throws for the captain. James. First try for Bill James is good.
Hindi naman ako talaga ano.
Ganun talaga yun. Nararamdaman mo yung palo ay na pre.
Tuloy ay nasa isip ko sa kanya.
Rebounds for the Pirates. Now, and there's a pass to Rodrigo. Jumper is good. Substitution. Last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by Papa the Cow. Round to number 17. Pass to the ball. Back to Abuja. Shot clock 7 seconds. Now Mendoza jumper good. Rebound foul number 7. And there's a foul. Foul number 17. Second personal foul on Mr. Pure Energy. Penalty. First try for Usa. It's good. Second try for Mendoza. Cruz. Rebound by Mr. Pure Energy. Now to Mendoza. Mendoza for 3. Mendoza for 3. Down to 6.3. Mendoza has a jumper, double rebound. Substitution. Address in. Amparo. Down to 6.3. 1 minute and 11 seconds. Now to number 18. Back to the lead. Outlet pass number 16. Equipo 6. First one for Joey. First one is
Jumper, pulang kayo. Jumper.
Six one for Joey. Down to 50 seconds. Rebound by number 18. So by Mendoza. Down to 40. 40 seconds. Still 6-4 with 35.8 seconds. Loose power. Number 16. Here we go. Second personal foul penalty. Next game. First one is no good for Mendoza. Second try for Mendoza. Split challenges with 30.8 seconds. Still 7.2. But there is a foul. Foul on number 17. Mendoza. Penalty. Mendoza. Third personal foul. Running for graduation. Next week. Two rhythms for that week. There is a whistle. Penalty. Okay. 9 personal fouls. First line for number 17, Mendoza. CO2. Looking forward to a shot. Rebound by Mr. Pure Energy.
Kapital ako. Ayan, okay na. Congratulations to our best player of the game, Mr. Francis Mendoza, with 31 points, 7 rebounds, 7 assists, 3 steals. So overall performance na naman tayo, Francis. Now you are holding a 2-0 record. So any preparation ba gagawin sa para sa masungkit ang ikatlong panalo?
Siguro yung intense rin namin mas lalo pag-ulit. Yun, lahat naman kasi nakikinig sa akong susunod. Alam nila yung gagawin namin. Ayun, kakulan mo.
So any shoutout?
Shoutout ulit siyempre sa Simis, sa IC Ballers, KK, sa team namin. Salamat.
Thank you.